All right. Come on. Light it up. Let's get Chinese eyes, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here this evening. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're right here with me. So give it up to Swag Man Dude on the saxophone, and let me do my thing. Hey, I said it's hard to sip it slow when it tastes good. I got a mansion in the hills and that's my neighborhood. An empty spot up on the shelf, I need a vase to put there. A couple wooden chairs, that be looking good, yeah. And baby, if you want, I'll wait for you. We could sit inside my crib and watch a pay-per-view. Cause I just need you next to me, keep you my accessory. I just wanna sing you your new favorite tune. And it goes a little something like this. Tonight an opportunity that you might miss. I just wanna get you feeling right like this. Bliss. That pretty girl standing by my side. She down the ride, yeah. I could love you just how you like. Take a breath of my air. Don't be scared, don't be scared, don't be scared, don't be scared. I love to lick your pussy cause it tastes so good. And I could read your face like it's my favorite book. You look like Rihanna mixed with Megan good, huh? She a good fuck, always give me good love. Baby, I just wanna hold you tight. You tell me that I'm tripping and I know you right. You feel just like a swimming pool, let me dive right into you. Stay there for a while cause I know it's nice. You cold as ice with a heart like August. Throw some Wu-Tang on you like oh shit. Baby, I like it raw with that rug burn. We be fucking on the carpet. My little nasty girl, but she a businesswoman. No telling what she'll do when she be in the moment. Lay it down, I like it if you stayed around. So saxophone man, can you play me out? That pretty girl standing by my side.